Hey everyone, PolyCarbonEight here. Today I wanted to cover swapping the clutches on my 1981 CM400T motorcycle. I just rebuilt the motor. I wanted to go ahead and do the clutches while I was here. So, pulled off the clutches, the clutch bell housing and all that stuff. They call it the cage and all that. And these are the old clutches. They're crusty. They still got some meat on them, but a little bit slimmer than I'd want. And I went ahead and put all these back together. So these clutches just go one by one with the metal plates between, and the very first one is actually thinner than the rest. I don't know if you can see that. The top one is thinner. So there's something to take note if you're doing your own. Just remember that. So this is going to go back on there. And I also wanted to note for you guys, the factory service manual states that you need a 26mm spanning socket or spanning wrench tool. This is a 24 that they sell for like $6 on Amazon. There's 24/20 on the other side, available all day long on eBay, Amazon, all that for cheap. The 26mm is $70 on eBay, and I can't find it anywhere else. So all I did was I just bought the 24 and ground it down damn near thin and called it good. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this to also put it back on, and this is the nut here. Great fun. So hopefully these will hold up. If not, I have some spare sockets I'm going to cut down. I also got these springs. They're 15% stiffer to go on here than the original ones. Hey, editor PolyCarbonEight here. I got these clutches and springs from 4into1.com. I'm not sponsored by them, but that would be kind of cool, not gonna lie. These came from them. They sent me some cool stickers. Here are the stickers. Yeah, check them out. They got everything for these 4into1 bikes, Suzuki, Honda, all the old ones. Yeah, highly recommend them. So yeah, I just want to share with you guys in case you're doing your own, needed some tips or helpful information. I think this is 80 some odd foot-pounds. I'll look it up again. I'll probably put it in the description or whatever for you guys. But yeah, just want to help out if anyone's doing it themselves. Cheers. Alright, small correction. First of all, that thing did great. Absolutely fantastic. It is 33 to 36 foot-pounds, not 80. Yeah, don't break your shit. But I just took the mallet here, the handle, and I stuck it in the wheel here, just below the swing arm, and let it press up in gear, and it worked fine. I didn't need to use the cage lock, so I do recommend.